Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Hoover Cleanslate Spot Cleaner, aka Mini Carpet Shampooer, and let me tell you, it is excellent. As someone who lives in rainy Seattle and has 2 dogs, keeping the stairs clean could almost be classed a part-time job, so I am very happy to have acquired this product. I chose this particular one because it comes with a relatively wide cleaning tool as compared to others in its class. It ships in pretty standard retail packaging that even includes a picture of who this product is really meant for. But before we get going, let's see what comes in that box. We've got the carpet cleaner itself, a 6-ounce bottle of Hoover brand soap concentrate, a little trial packet of scent booster that doesn't actually smell that great, a soap dosing cup, the crevice tool, a stiff bristle brush, and a hose flushing tool. Alright guys, just like a really quick basic operation overview, you do have the top power switch right here that will turn on the suction and pressurize the line here. I know a lot of other units, I don't know how many, what the breakdown is. Some have a manual pump. This one has an automatic pump, which I really like. So basically, while the machine's running, you can just hold this down and it will continuously spray. And then of course, you have our suction here that will suck it up as we go along. So really easy to use, really ergonomic, and really convenient. Of course, step 1 is to fill the cleaning solution tank. To do so, start by lifting it off the machine. Next, I went ahead and employed the measuring cup to provide a full dose of carpet cleaning concentrate. The onboard tank has 2 levels, small and large. If you've got anything other than a small spot to clean, use the large. You'll end up going through more than you think. Like an amateur, I added the water to the soap instead of the soap to the water. The result was a lot of suds. Go ahead and learn from my mistake and fill with H2O first. Now here's what we're working with. Really just a number of spots where the dogs have tracked in dirt and or decided the stairs were a good place to chew on a bone. Just for fun, I'm going to clean them all. Before diving in, make sure to give whatever you're cleaning a good vacuuming first. If you don't, you'll create a mess with wet dog or human hair and will generally have a bad time. Here I'm using my Dyson V7 cordless, and if you've never used one, they are, in my opinion, the ideal stair cleaning tool. Now, even though I don't plan on using the crevice tool all that much, I thought we'd start here. It's basically like a toothbrush for carpet stains. Start by spraying some solution onto whatever you're cleaning, then use the bristles to give it a little scrub, and then finally flip it over and suck it dry. Of course, I much prefer the all-in-one spray scrub suck action of the wide path tool. Here I pretty much just hold down the spray trigger and pull backwards. If I've got any particularly alarming stains, I might pre-treat and scrub, but found that for general carpet dirt that wasn't really necessary. As I made my way up the stairs, I became particularly impressed by just how much suction this product really has. Just look at it pull the cleaning solution right out of the carpet. And here is that freshly extracted solution entering the holding tank. As you can see, it does so with quite a bit of vigor. However, along those lines, there is one thing I don't love: the amount of dirty water the Hoover Cleanslate can hold. Here it is at its max, which is about half of what is in the clean tank. To my way of thinking, shouldn't these 2 tank sizes be matched? Is this a big deal? No, it just means we need to perform 2 empties for every 1 fill. Speaking of, that part is very easy. The dirty tank detaches just like the clean one. Then the top of that further pops off, revealing an open container ready to have its contents disposed of wherever one pleases. I find the toilet to be the ideal dumping ground. Finally, a quick little freshwater rinse and we're ready to keep going. For the record, to do my entire set of stairs, I needed 2 complete soap fills, so that meant 4 trips to the porcelain throne. When we're ready to start putting things away, Hoover provides a handy tool to help clean up. Basically, we've got a little attachment that diverts clean water right back into the dirty hose, in effect rinsing it out. Really cool of them to include. I pretty much just ran until I saw clean water filling up the holding tank. Again, a really simple but really effective solution. The wide path tool and narrow one can both be backflushed in a standard sink. Now it's not just clean, it's clean enough. The manufacturer does recommend leaving everything out to dry once it has been rinsed. This is probably a good idea. With everything packed up tightly, moisture would surely linger, and when that happens, mildew grows, and we definitely don't want that. Nevertheless, when we are ready to put it away, everything buttons up nicely. The crevice tool snaps on the bottom, the holding tank snaps on the back, the cleaning solution tank snaps on the front, the cord wraps around its hangers, the hose wraps around the machine, the wide path tool snaps onto that, and then finally the rinse out attachment snaps on top. Overall, I am thrilled with this purchase. I've long wanted a simple, reliable, and convenient way to clean my stairs and other miscellaneous carpet messes, and now I have one. I think this product is especially suited to this task due to its 7-inch wide cleaning path. Many others have 3 or 4 inches, which means each stair takes 2 or 3 times as long. My only complaint really is the size of the dirty water holding tank, but that's a minor thing in the scheme of things. Other than that, it's a great product.